Hi guys, yeah, it's me, CJ. Yes, it's been quite a long time yet again. And first of all, I do have to apologize. I really sincerely apologize. I've had a lot of things pile up on me and they're hard to do. But in this video, I'll explain to you exactly what in the world has been going on. Alright, I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Um, I Don't know how I'm going to do that, but I guess we'll start at the beginning. Now, I realized that the last video I uploaded was already a year ago in November. I was getting all ready to do my tutorials again, and I began to have problems with my computer. My computer is literally broken, so I'm having a hard time also with the functionality of it. I'm having a hard time getting the programs to work. I don't know what the problem is, but I guess I'll figure it out eventually. But I am working on that. Also, another thing really bad happened. Um, my mom in May, she began to um, develop, well, problems like unable to operate the remote on the TV. She didn't know how to get on YouTube, and that was something she did, without any problems for years. And she even figured out how to do some things that I didn't even know how to do. I didn't know how to get the channel guide, but somehow she did. And all of a sudden, one day, she just forgot. Then she had bouts of falling, and she almost broke her foot. And eventually, it came to the point where I had to take her to the ER at least a couple of times. And the doctor told me to get to see her regular doctor as soon as possible. That's all he said to me. Get her in as soon as possible. I thought maybe she was having a series of mini strokes known as TIAs. I still think so. Anyway, as it turned out, something really bad happened. She began to become unable to communicate. She couldn't talk. She would start a sentence and then couldn't finish it. And I knew something was wrong, and I asked her if she knew something was wrong, and she was aware of it. Anyway, to make a long story short, one day she fell out of bed and she was totally incoherent, and well, I had to end up calling 911 for her, and she had to go to the hospital, and from there she was transferred to a hospital in Bakersfield. To make a long story short, on July 3rd of this year, she was diagnosed with late-stage dementia. The doctors or I didn't ever think she would come out of it again. But a miraculous thing happened. It occurred to me that, I don't know why it occurred to me, and I should already know this very well. I prayed. I prayed, God, please, I can't do this alone. Please bring her back. And wouldn't you know, the next day, she was back to normal like it never happened. And she went back into that state a little bit one more time and then not again. So there's that story. Now she is weak. She can't walk. She can't go and sit outside anymore. She was sent home from the hospital into hospice care, but she's doing really pretty good. And hospice did tell me that many people graduate from hospice. Well, I was completely lost when they said hospice. I mean, that could only mean one thing. I guess usually, not always. So anyway, I'm still taking care of her. I'm still doing things for her. She's unable to do anything by herself. Like I said, she can't walk. she has a transfer chair, so I can help her get her around the house. Another thing is that we have a weed abatement program where we live. The weeds in the yard have to be cleared out by June 1st. Well, I did that, and now, as you can see, I have to do it again. So there's that. So I got this whole big yard I've got to do, and I've got to do it all by myself. I can't afford to have somebody come in and do it and haul everything away. The other thing is, like I said, I've been having problems with my computer. And I did something really, really stupid. I don't know why. I was able to afford it at the time, but instead of investing in movie studio, I decided to go with something cheaper. Pinnacle Ultimate Studio, or Pinnacle Studio Ultimate. And I don't like that program very well, and it doesn't work good on my computer. I'm going to try to get Movie Studio back so I can start those tutorials, but as it is now, I'm unable to do those tutorials at present. One of my external hard drives, well, it doesn't work, so I've got to try to get the data off of there. So I'm working on that also. In the meantime, I will get back to Photoshop tutorials, and I promise that this time I'm going to make more of an effort to do that before I do any work around the house. Doing work around the house, even the simplest things, is really hard for me because of my condition, which leads me to the next issue that's preventing me from doing a lot of things. I've had pain in my hip almost since day one. And like for the first 6 months after my hospitalization after the accident, I was able to walk unassisted without a cane. I had no problems, and then all of a sudden, the pain started up. Now it's even worse. But then to add to that, something happened. I must have turned wrong, twisted wrong when I was in bed, got up wrong. Something happened. Maybe when I was trying to push something heavy, push and pull something heavy, like getting the washing machine where it is now. Um, well, I sort of, I guess, tore something, and now my hip is dislocated. So now I have to wait for surgery on my hip. I don't know if they're going to do a complete hip replacement at this point, but I guess I'll find out any day now. I'm waiting for a call from the surgeon. So I've got that to look forward to. Another thing that's been on my mind is that when I have to have surgery, I can't leave my mom here alone. She's going to have to go into a facility, and I'm going to have to leave the cats here alone, and a neighbor has to come and feed them, but they'll be left outside in the cold, which I'm not very fond of, but they have warm places where they can sleep outside. But then I have to worry about who's going to pay the rent. If she's in a facility and we can't pay the rent, the first 5 days will be free, and then after that, it's going to come out of her account. So I don't know. We're going to need some prayers in that area. But anyway, I've had things piling up one after another, and I just wanted to let you all know that I didn't forget about the tutorials. I am working on them. In fact, I'm working on one right now in a Photoshop tutorial, and hope to get that out before the new year, before New Year's Eve. I will get a tutorial out before New Year's Eve, probably in the next day or so. Hopefully tonight. That would be even better. Anyway, if you watched this video this far, if you watched it to the end, please go ahead and leave it a like. And if you're not already, please subscribe, because I do have more tutorials on the way. And I will be getting back to Movie Studio. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video which will be a tutorial.